we will be discussing string literal columns in this series. So I have a simple select query wherein I am fetching two columns, company code and currency from T001 table and then printing it. Now the requirement is that I want another column and that column should have the value Indian company for country code is equal to land 1. So what I will do is I will first add that column. Uh, sorry, Indian comp as comp type. Now comp type is the new column which has been added, and we'll do comma lwcomp hyphen comp type. So let us activate it, and now I will execute this. If I do in India and say execute, it will print the company code, currency, and the string literal as Indian Indian company. If I execute it for US now, still it says Indian company. Now this is a problem. Now what will I do? I will write a if statement over here. If land 1 is equal to in, if p underscore land, my input variable, is equal to in, then use this select query. Else and if, here I will put US company, and because this data variable is already declared, let us remove the @ okay, sorry, data US comp US, and here also @. So my select query, the second select query is this. What we will do is we will copy this also over here in this if clause, and now let us write the same stuff over here for US companies. And because this is already declared, no need for this data. And this is US. Let me activate this. So what will happen now is, let me do petty printer also. Activate again. If you execute this and I say in, it will execute for Indian companies. If I do US, it will execute for US companies. However, the drawback is that I had to repeat the same code twice because I wanted a string literal for different values of the where clause.